To enter the I-69 South HOV/Express lane, head east on Bissonnet Street towards Center Parkway. Turn right onto Center Parkway and immediately move into the left lane. Watch closely for the small Westwood Park and Ride sign and turn left into the facility. Drive straight ahead into the parking lot. Follow the posted signs to the HOV/Express lane entrance ramp. Follow the road ahead and then make a U-turn to access the ramp entrance. Enter the ramp just to the left. Drive slowly on the ramp as there are several sharp curves. At the top of the ramp, turn right and merge safely onto the I-69 South HOV/Express lane. Mission accomplished. At this point, you can head to Sugar Land, Texas,